Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you the flavor of the season, my pumpkin spice cupcake. Here are what we need: 2½ cup of flour, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and salt, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, half teaspoon nutmeg, ginger and cloves, 2/3 cup of oil, 1 lemon peel, 2 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 vanilla sugar, 400 gram pumpkin puree and half cup of water. For topping we will need 200 gram cream cheese, 115 gram butter, 200 gram powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. As a first step, peel the pumpkin. Cut it into half, then empty the seeds. Now, we can cut it into cubes and boil it until it's soft. You can make it easier for yourself if you buy canned pumpkin, but I didn't have this option. After 15-20 minutes of cooking, check the pumpkin. When it is soft enough, we rinse it and drain it. Now it's ready. We can smash it with a fork. Set aside until it's cooling down properly. I appreciate that you are watching. Please, before we continue, don't forget to like. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to hit the button. When you like my video, please share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Warm up the oven for 178 degrees. Let's prepare the dough. Take a bowl and add all the dry ingredients and mix it with a whisk. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, the spices, sugar, vanilla sugar, and lemon peel. Use another bowl to combine the wet ingredients. Add eggs, oil, and pumpkin puree. Mix it well. At the end, add the half cup of water. When it's combined properly, approximately after 3 minutes, we can start to add the flour mixture. Don't add the flour at once. Use your mixer in slow mode. As soon as it's combined properly, we can stop mixing. Now the dough is ready. Before we put the dough to the muffin form, spread all over the form. I don't like to use a muffin paper to bake with, but it's up to you. However, I will use the muffin paper after baking. Fill the 2/3 of the form with dough. Then bake it for 18-20 minutes in 178 degrees. In the meantime, we prepare the topping. Mix the cream cheese with the butter until it's combined properly. Then we add powdered sugar and vanilla extract. We don't need to over-mix it, only approximately for 3 minutes. Now the topping is ready. Set aside in the fridge until the muffins cools down. After 20 minutes, the muffins look like this. Let it cool down for 2-3 minutes in the tray, then you can remove it from the form. With this recipe, you will have 24 muffins. So you have to repeat the same actions what we did before. As you can see, this is my second portion of cupcakes. We are almost at the end. Keep it going. I know it's a bit longer process, but I promise you that it is worth it. So delicious. The cupcakes are cold enough, we can start to decorate. Use a piping bag, draw circles to apply the cheese frosting. Then sprinkle it with the colored sugar pearls. In the meanwhile, there are some links in the description below. I hope you can find something that reaches your interest. Thank you for watching. This was my pumpkin spice cupcake recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it. Bon appetit! I would be happy to read your opinion. Until we meet again. Bye!